This is Casey Hunt with Farm Journal Media, here with Missy Bauer, Associate Agronomist with Farm Journal. Missy, in your breakout session today, you talked about how to identify disease threats. Can you go over a few of those that you went over today with us?
Yeah, we're talking about some of the main foliar diseases that we have in corn, one of them being gray leaf spot. Gray leaf spot, as you can see here, is a very rectangular shaped lesion that really tries to stay in between the veins here. So you can see there's several gray leaf spot lesions on this leaf. Another one of the diseases that we talked about is northern corn leaf blight. Northern corn leaf blight, in the very early stages, we can see that we'll have a lesion that's kind of a cigar-shaped lesion, but it's just a real light green color. In the more advanced stages, as we can see on this leaf here, it becomes a very large lesion. These lesions could get up to 7 inches long, but it's kind of that cigar shape to it, and it'll actually cross over the veins. One of the other diseases that we talked about in the breakout was common rust. So common rust we can see actually on the leaf itself, and it's a pustule that's raised up. So if we actually brush this off, we can see that we could get a little rust actually on our fingers from where this is sporulated. So those are some of the types of foliar diseases that we talked about in trying to control these diseases if we have a high enough threshold with fungicides. Of course, hybrids will be a lot different in how they'd respond as far as how susceptible they are to these different diseases. So you really want to pay attention to your host or that hybrid susceptibility, what diseases there are out there, and what the environment's like, or those conditions that come together to make these diseases more prevalent.